Hello everybody and welcome to the course. Today we're going to be talking about the 4 core pillars of utilizing Redbubble and how to actually make sales on Redbubble. So essentially you can think of this course as Redbubble success in 4 simple steps. This is an introduction to the course, and what I want you guys to understand is that Redbubble is one of those platforms that it's very straight out, it's very upfront, everything is very visible to see what works and what doesn't. And after this course, without having any sort of experience or knowledge on Redbubble before or prior, you're going to know exactly what to do and how to attack Redbubble from a success standpoint, because we're going to tackle, like I said, those 4 core tenets of Redbubble success. So if that sounds something that you're interested in, that's something that you need help in essentially learning, go ahead and join this course. Let's go ahead and get started, and let's truly understand what it takes to be successful on Redbubble in 4 simple steps, okay?